What's up everyone? Today is the first day of my OJT and I'm very happy. Let's see what happens, and I'm very excited to go to the air side of the airport for the first time as a trainee, and I've been there as a passenger, but this time I'll be there as a trainee and I'm feeling very excited, to be honest. Guys who have been there in the airport, they might be knowing that this road which was there, it was connecting, like it was going through this side which I am standing here, but now they are making another road. You might be watching this one. They'll connect this to this one by this one, and they'll make the road again. So they're having money, they're making. So guys, those who don't know what is the difference between airside and landside, let me say you. Airside is that part of the aerodrome or the area of the airport entry to which is restricted. Like a passenger with a valid boarding pass or a employee or staff with a valid AP can only enter the side. I'll show you that side afterwards. Now I am going to collect my pass, and after that I'll go to the airside and work with the Air India Engineering Department. Feeling very happy. And yes, landside is that part of the aerodrome which the entry to any of the person is not restricted. Here anyone can enter, and like this is the place. This is the place where I'm sitting. It is coming into the landside. This is the ATC building, guys. I will tell you much about that in the next video. I'll make regular vlogs of these 6 months. So you want to be part of my story of 6 months, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. Okay guys, see you in Alpha 3. Want to work on that aircraft. Hi guys, I've reached Alpha 3 and within an hour we'll be getting our pass and getting into the airside, starting our OJT journey. And yes, I should tell you my main motto of making these vlogs. Guys or friends of mine of Series E Part 8 who are not doing OJT because like in the COVID situation no one is going to entertain them. So I want to take them along with my journey. I want to like make them to see what we do in OJT, and they should also get the experience, like virtual experience. That's what my main motto is.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Hey guys, now just came back from the airside. It was a very wonderful day. Been there to the airside for the first time. This is the first day, guys. So I was having general shift and just familiarized with all the equipments, tools, kits and all. And now from tomorrow I am having night shift and my journey will start full-fledged. Yes, that's it. First aircraft I went was ATR aircraft, departing to Mysore, which is just carrying only 3 passengers. So it's okay, it's COVID time. I got to learn, just demonstrated, my mentor demonstrated me some things like how to power on the ATR, how fueling is done, and all these things I got to know. One thing I should tell you guys, that the first engineer whom I met today was type rated in ATR and was endorsed ATR in his license. He taught me something good, and it was very informative what he taught me, and yes, it was a good day. I'll share you all these things what I get to know from this OJT period of 6 months. Just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Next aircraft, I again went to another ATR aircraft that was departed to Gulbarga. It was carrying a pretty much good amount of passengers. It was good experience, guys. I'll tell you everything which I got to learn from every day. I'll make vlogs for you guys, for especially those who are stranded in home and can't, like, they're not doing OJT because of this COVID situation. Their organization AMO or MRO is not calling them. So that's it, guys, and it's done for the day. I'm going home, and I'll make some good content for you guys. So to be with my journey, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of my video. That's it, guys, and see you soon. Bye.